If you're in the direct sales industry, pay attention to this. I just did a search on LinkedIn and they found over 1 million people who are really looking for a new opportunity. Let me just dive into my screen so that you may see the social proof on how many people are looking for new opportunities on LinkedIn. So right now I'm at the home page of my laptop, and what I want you to take a look at is how many people are really looking, and this is really people that have already put on their profile that they are looking for new opportunities, and it will be very easy for you to reach out to them. So let's do the search together. Looking for opportunities, and let's click the search button. Guys, as you can see, over 1 million people who have just written on their profile that they are really looking for a new opportunity. And now the biggest problem is, how can you really connect with these people? Because LinkedIn is very different from other social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. You really need to connect with these people in a professional manner, and that's why I decided to create an amazing feature which I called the LinkedIn Bootcamp, which I need only 10 minutes a day of your time, and it really explains to you everything. And let me show you what I have into the LinkedIn Bootcamp so that you may see how valuable the Bootcamp will be and how it will really help you get results. So on the first part of the LinkedIn Bootcamp, whereby I'm helping you get more leads, more sales, and more money into your network marketing business, I'm going to be walking you through different modules. The first module will be how to create a LinkedIn profile, how to create a killer LinkedIn profile. The second module, I'll be showing you how to get 2 to 5 highly qualified prospects. And the reason why I'm really qualified to really show you and to show you how this LinkedIn system works is because I've been able to implement it in building my own business. And just from doing the simple steps that I'll be showing you in the bootcamp, I've been able to rank up into my business, into my direct sales industry business. I've been able to be featured in the company's leaders board as the one in lead generation. As you can see, this is social proof. This is the 2020 leaders board. I've also been able to make tons and tons of sales, whereby in a period of just 1 month, I got over 1,134 contacts, got 974 subscribers who are buyers to different products that I was promoting in my business. And this is the exact system that I'll be sharing with you to really help you grow and build your network marketing business. I've also shared the system with a lot of people who have been reaching out to me and saying that, hey, thank you for the amazing job that you're doing. You have really empowered me when it comes to LinkedIn. And a lot of people are really appreciating this, because all you just need to do is invest 1 hour and just only with no ads, right? In just 27 days, in just 30 days, I was able to make over 20 sales. This is 27 sales. We all know the Eric Corey formula of recruiting 20 and 30. Over 1,134 contacts, 974 subscribers that have been able to really bring tons and tons of sales into my business, and have really helped me grow my business. Still, I'll be showing you on the third module is how to create content that will attract the right prospects. The fourth module will be how to connect with professionals on LinkedIn, and also I'll be giving you a bonus which will be my 3-step scripts technique that will really help you skyrocket your network marketing business, and it will help you build through this period and help you connect and get instant contacts, instant leads, unlimited leads for your prospects online. So what I want you to do is click the link below around this video. It may be up, it may be down, but just click the link below and to get access to the LinkedIn Bootcamp. And I'll be showing you the simple system that I'm using to really get access to over 1 million people who are on LinkedIn. Let's meet inside there, and I'm really waiting to share with you the great value that I have.